In this program of classical music, you will hear some of the country's distinguished exponents in the field of vocal and instrumental music. Each item will be preceded by an introduction for the benefit of the uninitiated Western listener. To appreciate the classical music of Pakistan, one has to accept the very subjective and contemplative nature of classical tradition. It is quite impossible to separate Pakistani music from an age-old heritage, philosophy, and culture. Music here emerges as an intense improvisation on the part of the performer, then gradually develops into an aesthetic communication between the listener and the artist. It does not attempt to depict the interplay of human emotions by a constant change in key or chord, as in Western harmony. Instead, through a slow gradual progression of notes, it chooses to create an arresting mood through the use of melody interlinked with a baffling beat system or rhythm. Roughly, three principal unities govern the classical system of Pakistani music. All music is performed to the accompaniment of the tonic, sa or drone. The drone establishes a strong feeling of quality by creating a sense of contrast between the various notes. Then again, there must always be a strict adherence to the selected rag. A rag is a subtle melodic arrangement of notes. There are 5 notes, 6 notes, or full octave rags. By the combination of these ascending and descending notes, 34,848 rags have been created. They can portray a season, an emotion, or a human situation. It is a distinctive feature of this system of music and is unknown to the musical concept of the West. For instance, Rag Malhar is based on the rainy season, and the whole atmosphere of the rag is the emotional portrayal of the performer using a combination of notes with his personal interpretation.
Umar gana gumade barase, umar gana gumade barase, umar gana gumade barase bundari pavane chalate sana na 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 jase bundane barase manuvalar je dingarwa bolate jom jana na 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 umar gana gumade barase. Damak damak damke bijariya damak damak dam ke damaniya sana na 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 bole more kar shor man bhaman gale lagame taal man dir dir tana dir dir tana dir dir tana dir dir tana dir thai 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 ya umar gana.
We begin our program with a vocal rendering by 2 outstanding young brothers, Nazakat Ali, Salamat Ali Khan. They will sing a khayal in the bilampat or slow tempo based on the Rag Bhopali, which is always sung in the evening about. A khayal is a form or style of rendering classical music. It has 2 distinctive parts, the bilampat or the slow tempo and the durat or the fast tempo. The khayal begins with an alap or invocation. Alap fuses into bilampat, which gradually increases in tempo and leads to durat. The khayal today is the most popular mode of rendering vocal music. It originated with the Muslim rulers of the Mughal dynasty of India. The khayal allows scope for individuality and variation in vocal performances. Here are Nazakat Ali, Salamat Ali Khan singing khayal in bilampat, based on Rag Bhopali. In the history of classical music, Amir Khusro appears as a distinct phenomenon. Born of Turkish parents in 1255 AD, this poet, philosopher divine, brought his thorough knowledge of Arabian and Persian music to Indo-Pak subcontinent to revitalize musical tradition which had drifted to a state of decadence. He composed new rags, fashioned new instruments, and created noted musical compositions which are popular even to this day. The Tarana, composed by Amir Khusro, is considered to be a pure musical expression which ignores a literary or poetic theme. Sung to a quick tempo, there are no words. Instead, sound syllables such as nom tom or tana, rila, tum diri, and technical words of the tabla and the sitar are employed. You will now hear two well-known brothers, Amanat Ali, Fateh Ali, sing a tarana. From vocal to instrumental music is a gentle transition from voice to sound. What words cannot speak, sound must tell. The technique and mode of presentation of instrumental music do not change, but are conducted on the same lines as in vocal music. We now present to you a recital on the Vichitra Veena. It is played by plucking the strings with a wire plectrum. Variations in the notes are brought about by placing the fingers of the left hand on the frets attached to a long hollow bamboo sound box. The Vichitra Veena was invented by the late Muslim musician Ustad Abdul Aziz Khan. Rashid Beenkar, an able instrumentalist from the same well-known family of veena players, will give a recital based on the Rag Darbari. The sitar, most popular stringed instrument of Pakistan, has existed in its present form for over 700 years. Invented by Amir Khusro, it is fashioned from seasoned goods and teak wood. The sitar has a track of 20 metal frets with 6 or 7 main playing strings and 13 sympathetic strings. The instrument is first tuned to the selected rag and then played by plucking the main strings with wire plectrum worn on the index finger of the right hand. Kabir Khan, a talented sitar player of Pakistan, will play Rag Behag in 3 movements. It is a melodic composition portraying erotic mood. classical traditions in music through the various phases of time has never ceased to be two-dimensional in character, with its pronounced emphasis on melody and rhythm. Just as melodic notes are interwoven in a rag, subtle and intricate rhythm patterns are created by tal on the tabla. Melody combined with percussion is an integral part of classical music. The tabla invented by Amir Khusro is the most popular percussion instrument today. The right drum or tabla is set to the tonic, the domina or the subdomina. The left-hand drum, called the baya, is a brass drum and can produce deep tones through pressure from the base of the left palm. There are many opinions regarding the number of time measures invented. The number varies from 100 to 360. Today, however, over 20 tals are played as accompaniments to the classical music. The most popular time measures are the time cycles of 6, 10, 12, 14 and 16 beats. Ustad Allah Ditta, renowned for his dexterity and scholarship, will now present Teen Tal, a time measure which is played in rhythmic cycles of 16 beats. These 16 beats are divided into 4 bars of 4 beats, each sounding as
dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, din, din, da, da, din, din, dha, dha.
Here is Ustad Allah Ditta playing Teen Tal on tabla.
In this 30-minute program, you will hear a selection of Pakistan's representative music. This is a folk tune of East Pakistan. This region of Pakistan abounds in rivers. A fisherman in his indigenous boat on the vast expanse of the mighty rivers silhouetted against cloudy skies very nearly symbolizes the common man of this region. This is his favorite tune. He calls it Bhatiyali. Fishing is over. The fisherman returns home. There are frantic inquiries from one and all. The catch has been good. A celebration is indicated. Music and rhythm find expression in dance. Here is a popular dance melody of East Pakistan known as Jhumur. And now over to West Pakistan, 1200 miles away. The northernmost areas of this wing of Pakistan are mountainous. These barren, awe-inspiring mountains have many a tale to tell of the bloody battles against the invaders from Central Asia who came through the majestic Khyber Pass time and again for the coveted wealth of the subcontinent. The brave people who manned this frontier live in tribes, and in the tribal get-togethers, the Sarinda recital is a cherished treat. It is a high-pitched stringed instrument played with a bow, and heard to the best advantage in the hills. To the east of this region lie the fertile plains of the former Punjab. This area meets most of the country's requirements of food grain and farm products. The land is good, and the farmer, more often than not, is bestowed with ample fruit for his labor. He is therefore a die-hard optimist. He is cheerful and spreads gaiety and good cheer around him. His songs are the songs of peace and plenty. Here is a romantic song of a village belle. Then there are musical soirees in the evenings where mystical and semi-religious songs find favor with these deeply religious people. The name of God is my amulet.
ਜਿੱਤਣ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਹਾਰਨ ਚੰਗਾ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਮਸਤ ਫਕੀਰਾ ਜਿੱਤ ਜਾਏ ਤੇ ਛੱਲਾ ਕੱਚ ਦਾ ਹਾਰ ਜਾਏ ਤੇ ਹੀਰਾ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਸਮਿਲਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਆ ਤਾਰਿਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਓ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਸਾਈ ਬੋੜਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਹੀਰੇ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਲੱਖ ਰੁਪਈਆ ਤੇ ਛੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਲ ਕਸੀਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੋਹਾਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਮੰਨੇ ਉਹ ਬੇਗੁਰਾ ਬੇਪੀਰਾ ਪੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਸਮਿਲਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਤਾਰਿਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਉਹ ਲੁੱਟਿਆ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਸਾਈ ਗੋੜਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਓਏ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ ਦੇ ਜੁੜਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੁੜ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਦੀ ਲੱਖ ਮੋੜੋ ਓ ਮੁੜਦੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਆ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਅੱਲਾ ਦੇ ਸਮਿਲਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ तारिया तेरी जुगनी ओ लुटिया तेरी जुगनी साई मोड़ा वाले आ जुगनी ए जिल्ला दावण पाग रसूल दा पकड़ लियाओ ते किसे भी गल तो थुड़दियां नहीं अमर जिन्ना दा नबी मला बनया बेड़ियां ओना दियां कदी रुड़दियां नहीं वीर मेरे आ जुगनी अल्लाह दे समिल्ला तेरी जुगनी तारिया तेरी जुगनी ओ लुटिया तेरी जुगनी साई घोड़ा वाले आ जुगनी.
Algoza is the instrument of former Sindh. It is a woodwind instrument, and its long-drawn notes suggest expanse and the wide open spaces of the region to which it belongs. West of Sindh lies a region formerly known as Baluchistan. The remains of an ancient town, Edith Shahar, discovered in this area recently by archaeologists, throws light on an advanced civilization 4,000 years old. The music in this area is influenced by strains of Arab melodies reminiscent of the Arab invasion led by Muhammad bin Qasim about 1400 years ago. Here is a Baluchi tune on the banjo. The classical music of Pakistan is the source and fountainhead of the various modern and ancient forms of music in the country. The basic 12 notes of the octave have been classified by means of permutations and combinations into over 1,000 melody modes known as rags. There are rags for every hour of the day and night, and also for different seasons. Here is an evening rag named Shankara, sung by the great exponents of classical music, Nazakat Ali Khan and Salamat Ali Khan. Another form of sophisticated urban music is ghazal. It is the most popular form of poetry in Pakistan, and some of this country's best poetical and philosophical thoughts are preserved in this form. Every couplet of the ghazal is a complete idea in itself. It usually has 5 to 7 couplets. The effect is individual as well as collective. It can be sung in the traditional as well as the modern style, depending on the mood of the poetry. Here it is, sung by Pakistan's most outstanding light classical singer, Farida Khanum.
से जो वाबस्ता हुए तुम से वो अफसाने कहाँ जाते.
The tabla is the most important percussion instrument in Pakistani music. It is through the tabla that all the intricacies of highly advanced rhythmic divisions of Pakistan's classical and light classical music are expressed. Here is a popular rhythmic pattern having 14 beats to a bar called Mughlai. The accented beats are the 1st, the 8th and the 12th. The player is Inayat Ali. With this tabla recital, we come to the end of our program, The Music of Pakistan.